Hello everyone, so we are back and with me is Kamesh Raghavendran. Kamesh is the VP of Hive Data. So Kamesh has been associated with OpenStack India community for long and from inception. So I would leave it to Kamesh to introduce himself, what he is up to these days, and then we'll continue to talk about the community engagement stuff. Kamesh, welcome to OpenStack India.
Thank you, Sajid. Great to be here. So as Sajid said, I've been associated with the OpenStack community for a while, since the Tableau release. So before this role as an early stage venture capital investor, I used to be in a very large company called NetApp. So very much focused on the storage, networking, and infrastructure pieces of data center technology. And that role had played quite an important role within NetApp to evangelize OpenStack. Because in the earlier days it was still yet to be proven that OpenStack will become the big disruption that it has become and proven over the last 3-4 years. And therefore, in those early days of internal evangelism and showing people the power of OpenStack, the power of open source community, it was even around the time that the Hadoop community, the other big data communities were still evolving, and people still had some skepticism, some concerns about how this will pan out. But history is there to tell how things panned out and what a vibrant and powerful community OpenStack has become. And in that role, I had been involved in setting up the strategy around OpenStack, how NetApp should contribute to this community, how NetApp should collaborate, partner with both small entities as well as big partners like IBM and HP and those type of companies. And post NetApp, I moved out of NetApp and moved into the venture capital investment community. And here, infrastructure, getting the right data infrastructure, helping startups create what could scale, through their stages of hypergrowth. That has been my focus so far. So I'm active in the Valley, and I invest in early stage companies that use data and analytics to disrupt very specific verticals, and therefore the entrepreneurs typically have domain knowledge in those verticals and typically lack the experience or insight in building and managing very large infrastructures. And I help them do that, and therefore technologies like OpenStack become very important for making startups understand what they need to scale and grow as their consumers start consuming the product or service. And therefore, I'm excited to still be associated with this community and work with great people like Sajid, who are championing this cause in various regions, including India.
So, Kamesh, thank you very much. So, Kamesh, you have been interacting very closely with the industry leader, right? And that's basically your focus was more on the emerging market segments, right? So, you can understand the OpenStack is a baseline framework over which the business logic actually runs, right? So, across all the vertical, from service provider to enterprise and the e-commerce, so what is your feeling? How are the consumer are interested towards the OpenStack? What is the kind of sentiments or what is the kind of business reason? What is that actually attracts them to come into the OpenStack? What do you think?
Sure, and the reasons are different for different kind of companies. Very large companies, they care about how they enable their customers, how they enable their customers to succeed. And one large issue is around challenges around vendor lock-in, challenges around business models, options that the customers would want to franchise when they are engaging with large companies. And that is where OpenStack community has proven to be a very powerful alternative to other proprietary options that end customers could access. And therefore it gives this sense of freedom of changing your infrastructure strategy as your business grows, as your end consumer needs change, and so on and so forth. And therefore, from a big company's perspective, I see OpenStack as an option of freedom, which improves and enhances the options to any end customer. On the other hand, from a startup, from a small to mid-sized company's perspective, it's again managing hypergrowth, managing constant change, managing changing in their technology stack, changing their strategy towards designing their product, and therefore an open community like OpenStack, which encourages disruptions, which encourages projects where people can contribute, influence the roadmap of the community, that provides a very strong base for startups to build their technology stack and deal with change that they constantly grapple with. And therefore, I feel for different types of companies, OpenStack, both as a technology and as a community, has different things to offer.
I completely agree. Depending on the kind of workload and the operational level agreement and SLA, there has to be a different hosting environment altogether, right? I understand that's basically workload-based reference architecture, right? So Kamesh, you have been very closely working with the OpenStack India community. We would like to know how was your experience and if there's anything that you would like us to improve on, or where do you see the community in next few years?
Sure. So the good things are that it's just awesome. The kind of talent that this community has, the kind of passion that people in this community have. You can see on a Saturday the kind of turnout here, the kind of crowd that is gathered here, just to meet with one another, contribute back, be part of the discussion and dialogue. And it's also very, very technology focused. The key focus here is to bring innovation, solve tomorrow's challenges, and ship products that can change and disrupt large data center technology type of industries. And therefore, in terms of the number of people, the passion, the urge and the push and the drive to create new innovations, that's what I think is great about the Indian OpenStack community. On the other hand, certain areas where the community can improve, I feel, is in marketing itself, in putting the word out there for people who still are not aware that there is such a big community out here, and especially relative to some of the other service providers out there who pose their own internal technologies like the Googles and Amazons and Microsofts of the world. The kind of large marketing machinery they have set up in India, I feel the OpenStack community deserves equal or much more of that type of marketing to make this power be accessible, be known to the larger potential consumers out there in India. And India is again a growth story. Large number of startups are in a very hyper growth kind of situation. You can hear, you can see all this 100, $1 billion deals happening every week. I feel there is not enough marketing around the power of this community right here in India.
Yeah, absolutely. We take this as a feedback and we'll look forward like how do we actually implement all this feedbacks into a real time action. So Kamesh, thank you very much for your time, and it's we are really lucky to have you in one of our panels. So Kamesh and a few other industry leaders are gonna be a part of emerging market technology and how OpenStack plays a role in that. So right after this talk. So if you are in Valley, do meet Kamesh. So Kamesh is with Hive Data, and I think you're based out in Valley, right?
Palo Alto, yeah.
Yeah, Palo Alto. So definitely you can reach out to Kamesh and discuss a lot. He is very passionate about technology. So thank you very much once again, and on behalf of entire OpenStack India community, I thank you for everything that you have done for the community. I look forward to you coming to our future events as well.
Pleasure is all mine. Thank you, Sajid. Great to be here. Thanks, guys.